Today I'll be guiding you on how you can farm Synthelix DePIN airdrop. If you've not started farming this airdrop, I will encourage you to join now. It's a very simple airdrop to farm and it looks more like layer edge. If you previously did the layer edge airdrop, you won't find this difficult at all. In fact, this one is not even difficult at all. So this is how my dashboard looks like. I'm going to guide you on the step-by-step process on how to arrive to this particular dashboard. Let's head to my Facebook page, so I will show you the step-by-step process. We are here. Please, if you're not following me on Facebook, do well to follow me on Facebook as well. I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video so you can follow me and become part of my community. Alright, this is the step-by-step process. The first thing you need to do is to click on this referral link here. I'll leave the link in the description of the video as well. Once you click on the link, you connect your wallet. In my own case, I use MetaMask wallet. I connected MetaMask wallet. The moment to connect your wallet, you click on Start Node and sign the message on your wallet. You complete daily login tasks and claim your free points. Okay, let's come back to the dashboard. The moment you click on that referral link and connect your wallet, you're going to come right here and have something like this. You see that at the moment my total points earned is a 6,040 Synthelix points. You can see my connected wallet up here, and every day you are allowed to claim 1,000 points on this airdrop. The moment you come here, you see claim. You click on claim and you claim your 1,000 points. I've already claimed mine, that's why you cannot see the claim button here. Also, my node is running at the moment. You can see status running is live, so you are required to activate your node after every 24 hours. In 3 hours 45 minutes time, I'll be required to also activate mine for today. The moment I activate, I'll be earning up to 6,000 nodes. You see the activate node here, or you see the run node here. You click on run node. So I cannot click on run node because it's already running. The only thing I can click here, the only button I can click here is stop and claim, but I don't want to stop and claim because it has not finished running. The node is still running. So this is basically how to earn your points on this airdrop. You can see it's very easy. You run the node and then you claim your daily points. You also have the option of referring your friends for them to join with your referral link. You can see the referrals here. I'm going to click on referrals so you see what I mean. So you can see that at the moment I have 20 referral points. I have just one referral at the moment. You can come right here and click on your invite code. The moment you click on this, you'll be able to copy your referral code, the same referral code that I'll be leaving in the description of the video for you to see. So any friend you refer, you earn 20 Synthelix points. That's another way to accumulate more points for yourself on this airdrop. Also, to further accumulate points, you can click on rewards here. I click on rewards and it brought me here where you'll be required to follow 1 or 2 persons or 1 or 2 accounts on X, on Twitter, and earn 5,000 Synthelix points. When you follow JC, you can see you earn 5,000 points. I have completed it already. You can see completed and it has been ticked for me. When you follow this one, you also earn 5,000 points. You follow this also, you earn 5,000 points. So these are additional ways to accumulate points for this airdrop. Let's go back to the dashboard. Alright guys, we are back to the dashboard. You can see that this is very simple, so I will encourage you to join. If you've not joined, it's a DePIN project and is a great one. Thank you for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.